Hello everyone, I am Skin So Beautiful and thanks for joining me today. We are all washing our hands more frequently than before. This can lead to dry, irritated skin as a result. I know a lot of us are struggling with dry hands. Here are some tips and tricks to help keep your hand healthy while washing them. Wash your hands with tepid water. I know it can be tempting to want to wash your hands with hot water when you really want to feel clean. Use sulfate-free moisturizing hand wash. Sulfates are found in lots of different beauty products, but this will only cause dryness. It helps to create lather to produce foam. It is found in so many cleaning agents and cleansers because it breaks down oil and grime on the skin. The problem is sulfates strip away your skin's natural protective oil and pull water out of the skin, making your hands more drier than usual. Stay away from sulfates. Use soap with creamy consistency with good ingredients like glycerin and lanolin. I don't recommend using soap to wash your hands. Bar soap has a pretty high pH and can dry out your hands. Do not scrub your hand too hard. Aggressive scrubbing won't really get you anywhere, especially now that we are washing our hands more frequently than before. It is better to be gentle and really take your time to wash your hands. Once you're finished, don't rub your hands with a towel. Instead, gently pat them dry, and this will delay early aging and wrinkles of the hand. If you want to keep your hands healthy, it is important to moisturize your hands after each and every washing. It is quite easy to get lazy after washing your hands, and leaving them bare will cause water to evaporate the skin, which can lead to irritation, dryness, and cracked hands. Keep your moisturizing hand cream next to your sink so you always remember to moisturize your hands immediately after washing. Look for moisturizers with lactic acid, shea butter, and glycerin. Always use a moisturizer after washing your hands. You can also use natural oils on your hand. They are quite nourishing and hydrating. Examples are avocado oil, almond oil, and aloe vera gel is a great option. If your hands are already too dry, cracked, or irritated, apply an ointment or hand salve while you sleep at night. Put your hand cream in your bag so you always remember to take it along with you. Or if you don't have any of this and you have an old face cream that simply didn't work for you because it was too heavy or just because it was not right for your skin, do not throw it away. Instead, use it as a hand cream at night before you go to bed. It is a cheap alternative to keeping your hands soft and well hydrated. After applying cream, salve or ointment, use an oil blend on cuticle. This is nice to keep the skin intact so it doesn't get exposed to possible infection. Wear rubber gloves while cleaning. It protects your hands from unnecessary dryness. Most of these cleaning agents have harsh chemicals. When your hands are feeling extra dry, consider wearing a hand glove to bed. This should be done after applying your hand cream. Doing this takes things to another level by creating a physical barrier that will not keep moisture from escaping the skin. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification button so you get notified whenever I upload new videos on YouTube. Thank you and stay beautiful.